Hey, welcome back guys. So today we got the Maiden Voyage of the new 2019 Old Town Predator PDL model. It's going to be a good test because we're at a place where it gets super shallow. So we're going to be doing a lot of push pulling, possibly, if it's not too flooded. A lot of grass flats. We're going to be hunting down some redfish. I'm really excited. Should be a really good test for the new Predator PDL kayak. But unfortunately, we got some bad weather right now. We're waiting for it to pass by. We don't want to be messing around with lightning. And as soon as it passes by, we'll get on the water and we'll get on to some fishing. So here's the Predator PDL Maiden Voyage. I got my boy David Trail Chaser here. Link is going to be in the description below. Good channel. Check his stuff out. All right, real fast, quick glance before I take it out of the water for the first time. Let's just start from the rear to the front, see what I notice. We got a new rudder material. It's composite. I don't know what that means. It's not carbon fiber, but supposedly it's supposed to be more rigid. It doesn't really bend. And check this out guys, I got my micro power pole hooked up to this Predator PDL. Thank you Old Town for listening to your consumers and adding this mount. So I am all set to use this in the shallows. All right, moving forward, we got this big live well. As you can see, I got my Hobie H crate. I hope Old Town does come out with some kind of crate system like Hobie has. We got your accessory rails here on both sides, 2 flush mount rod holders on that side as well as a front right here. And we have a rudder deployment that's lever engaged. As you can see, I'm moving it up and down, which is really cool. And at the same time, you can lock it in with the knob right over here. This knob right there will lock it down so it doesn't move left to right when you're on the shallow flats. And moving forward, we have the PDL Drive. We have 6 accessory plates. Here's a seat that comes with the Predator PDL. It's only 1 ride height. And if you want to adjust the reclining, it's via seat straps here. And hopefully in the future, Old Town will come up with a way to have a better seating system. This boat is 36 inches wide. It's also 13 by 2 inches long. So very, I expect it to be very fast, honestly. We have the new hatch. They said this is a new thing where it's an easy deployment with one hand. And it's a nice big storage. They got the new EVA deck pads here, which is really nice. This should help out when you're standing up all day and give you that creature comfort. So I'm ready to take it out on this maiden voyage. Let's go. I love how they design the handles here where you can easily move it around. However, one thing I did notice is, if you can see, it doesn't sit straight. Now you might be saying I'm an incline, but I've actually noticed it at my house. It doesn't sit straight. It goes either left or right because of the hull design, how it's curved underneath. It's really sharp. I don't know, that's something that Old Town would change. But I do expect this kayak to be really fast because of the way it's designed. So here we go in the water. I'm just really curious on how skinny this boat will get. I expect to get pretty skinny. All right. Oh wow. Okay, very nice. Already on the water. I love how the rudder on this boat can be adjusted to your desired height and just lock in place. That's so cool to me. That won't go left or right. We just made the GoPro waterproof because we got the water starting to really pour down. It's not going to stop us from fishing though. We're going to keep fishing. We got to make sure we're safe from lightning. I haven't seen any lightning. I do hear thunder way back in the background, and it's shallow right here, that's for sure. Like I said, we're here to test out the Predator PDL, and we're going to put it through its tests, that's for sure. This Predator PDL is gliding through no problems at all. That red right here, look. Oh dang, I missed him. There we go, got him. Oh, beautiful. He came back for it like a topwater. Oh yeah. All right, he's a good red. He's a good red. Oh, beautiful. Come on up here. We're gonna let you go, right? I just want to admire you real fast on the new Predator PDL. Look at that. Oh, beautiful red. Woohoo! Money. All right, stop moving. Let me just see how big you are. Right at 5 pounds. 5 pound redfish. Check it out, guys. Beautiful specimen, man. Damn, they are really red back here. First red on the topwater PDL. Sight casted him. He was literally within like less than 5 feet. I guess he didn't see me. I threw him at it one time, missed. Threw him at it a second time, further away about 5 yards out, and then he just chased it and hit it like a topwater. Hopefully the GoPro got it, but dude, so happy on the new Predator. Look at that. PDL, baby. On the new kayak. Check it out. Woohoo! Dang, we are really skinny, folks. I'm talking about 6 inches. If we can catch one red back here, that'd be great. I would not be surprised if we see a red back here. Oh, that was a red right there. Dang it. I knew we'd see a red. I mean, it's so shallow. I mean, literally 6 inches of water here. You should be able to see them, their dorsal fin pop up. And like in a crawling motion almost. But that's cool, seeing redfish here. I mean, I'm not totally surprised. It's so shallow here. Oh, there's one. There's a big one right there. Oh, look at that big one. Look at that big one. Dang, that was a big one. Dang, that was a big one. There's another one right there. Yeah, got him. Yeah, I saw him. There we go. Heck yeah, here we go, baby. There we go. All right, got him finally. There's tons of redfish back here. Just they spook so easily since it's so freaking shallow. I'm talking about, this is 6 inches shallow, and the Predator PDL is handling it very nicely. This is a good size red. This is a donger. This is what you call a donger. Come on, come on, you donger. This is what you call a mud donger. Mark calls them mud donkeys. I call them mud dongers. There we go. Oh, dude, come on. No, 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 no. Yeah. Nice fish. Another slot. Dude, check out this beautiful specimen. Beautiful fish, man. Heck yeah, man. Let's go, boy. On the Predator PDL, doing the shallow freaking sight casting work. Check that out. This redfish was caught in that 6 inches of water. Beautiful red. Let's see how big you are. Another 5 pounder, just like the other one. Beautiful. See if we catch him on the new clickbait from Bugs Lures. See if that'll work out. It's going to be tough because, well, number one, you got a lot of grass, and Bugs Lures, they tend to catch a lot of grass, so it'll be a little bit tough. But I mean, this is a small profile, so if we throw it, we might be able to hook up and not catch too much grass. Yeah, it's moving pretty good in the water. Oh, there's a red right there. There we go, got him. With the clickbait, yeah, baby. We'll give him some drag. We're using very light line. Oh, beautiful. On the Bugs clickbait, on the Predator PDL. Two great products. You can't go wrong, and he is pulling some mad drag. Goodness gracious. Come on. This is a donger right here. This right here is a donger. All right, you know what? I don't know if I want to just catch them. I think I just want to photograph them. That's a beautiful sight there. And not a lot of people get to experience this. So I'm just going to do the best thing and just get them on videotape. All right, guys, man, that's going to be it for me today, man. I had a blast. I saw so many redfish. The redfish were stacked up. I got to experience my first major tailing school of this year, even though it's a little bit delayed because of all the bad weather. But the main point of this video was to show you a maiden voyage, and I'm going to be frank with you guys. I am thoroughly impressed because I really put it through its paces on the maiden voyage. I put it to the test. Saltwater grass flats that are shallow. I couldn't use the Pdl Drive majority of the time, so I was push pulling myself throughout this back lake, and it performed absolutely beautifully. It tracked well. It never got stuck. It got really shallow, up to 6 inches, and man, there's so much room, so comfortable standing on those EVA deck pads. I mean, the Old Town Predator PDL has actually set the bar really high, and from now on, when I make a video on the Old Town Predator PDL, I expect nothing but the best. Now, could there be improvements? Of course, everything could be improved upon, but the Predator PDL, for the first time using it, was a great success. I had a great time. If you want to know more about the Old Town Predator PDL, there's a link in the description below. Hit that link. That'll take you straight to Old Town and give you all the information about the kayak that your heart desires. All the press releases, the photos, the specs, the price, whatever you want to know, it's all in that link. And thank you so much, Old Town, for sending the channel the kayak. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to use it more often because this kayak it's no joke, man. This is a player in the industry, and I'm really happy so far. And first impressions was thumbs up. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification because I'm going to be pushing out more of these Old Town Predator PDL videos, and that bell notification will let you know when I drop a new video. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love every single one of y'all, and I'll catch you guys next time.